See it there again.
The third man is about to collide. Don't forget to tip the head.
Yeah, flick bud. Nah, jump, nah, jump.